Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Microsoft Word provides a large range of preset styles you can apply to your text. These styles are simply a saved collection of text and paragraph formats you can apply to text all at once. This can save you a lot of time if you want to do a lot of formatting at once. You are using a style every time you type into a Word document. The default style for Word is called the normal style. The default normal style consists of a preset font face and size, paragraph alignment, line spacing, indentation setting, margin settings, and paragraph spacing. You can change the default normal style for the normal document template, just as you can modify all the other Word styles. You can modify the existing styles for a document template, and you can also create custom styles you can then apply to any document.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.